Turn it on. Can you honk the horn? I don't think there's a horn on it. Oh, Charlie, I think this is it. That's the other sign.
Hey! Look, there's a big tongue slide. Yeah, it's somewhere. There we go. Get your feet out.
What's the
Go down the slide. We're going to catch you.
Charlie, can you fill it with gas?
Go down the slide.
Where does that go?
I'll go too.
It goes in the side, I think. Is there a hole in the side? Do you see a hole in the side? Here, fill it up, put it in the side. No, Charlie, right there. There's a hole right there. Like right here. Yeah! Lug, 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 lug. Yeah! Okay, put it back. Put the cap on. Oh, you're gonna dry. Oh, you better. You put it back up here. It goes there. Does the hose go there? Yeah, the hose goes. Yeah, right on the hook. Good job. Do you know how to put the cap on the gas tank? How about down here? Can you screw that in? Where does that go? Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the next thing.